The myth that high-protein diets will instantly damage healthy kidneys has circulated gyms and diet plans for years. Experts trace it to cases of pre-existing kidney disease where protein intake matters, confusing correlation with causation. In reality, healthy people can tolerate higher protein levels without kidney harm, provided the overall diet quality is good and hydration is adequate. Most guidelines show safe ranges when protein replaces refined carbs rather than total calories, and long-term studies show no universal kidney decline among healthy adults. The key takeaway is balance and individualized needs over one-size-fits-all rules.